Good afternoon and happy Tuesday since we were off on Monday. I hope you guys had a great Easter break, a good time celebrating and thanking God for everything that He's done for us, as well as hopefully getting a little rest and relaxation in there. We are headed into the final stretch, so let's refocus and finish the semester strong. Just to give you a look at what's coming, this week we didn't have any homework due Monday, but we've got homework due on Wednesday, and your final of our little mini tests is this Thursday. After that, we have one more section we're going to cover, so next Wednesday you'll have just a tiny mini quiz over that, and that's really just so I can give you some feedback on it so you can know how you're doing. After that, or even now, you have a final exam review that is going to be due. That's going to be the same as those optional reviews that you've been doing, except this one is not optional. So it has a lot of problems on it. It covers a lot of things. So start on it as soon as you can because it's going to be due that Monday of final exam week. I'll get you more information as we go through the next couple weeks, but remember, this week, homework due Wednesday, test on Thursday. If you have any questions or if you want to get together and work on anything, please let me know. I would love to have a chat with you. Have an awesome week.